Hello students, in this video we will take exercise 1.3 question number 1. Prove that under root 5 is irrational. How to prove it? We will use contradictory method to prove this. contradictory method में हम इसके अपोजिट एज्यूम करेंगे। जैसे कि इसमें अंडर रूट 5 को इरेशनल प्रूव करना है तो ये मान के चलेंगे कि अंडर रूट 5 एक रेशनल नंबर है। लेट अस suppose that root 5 is a rational number. अगर ये रेशनल नंबर है तो इसे p बाई क्यू फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है। इट मीन्स then there exist two co-prime integers p comma q where q is not equal to 0 such that under root 5 is equal to p by q. Since we have assumed it as an irrational number, so this has been written as root 5 is equal to p by q. Now squaring both sides, to remove square root, we have 5 is equal to p square by q square. By cross multiplication, this can be written like this, or q square is equal to p square by 5. What this implies that p square is divisible by 5. Hence, p is also divisible by 5. There is a theorem regarding this. You can read. So, we can take p is divisible by 5, let the result be r. So, we can take p is equal to 5r. Putting this value in equation 1. We have q square is equal to 5r square by 5, 25r square by 5. Finally, we get 5r square. which can be further written as r square is equal to q square by 5, which implies that q square is divisible by 5, so q is also divisible by 5. Thus, P and Q both are divisible by 5 as proved above. So, P and Q are not co-primes. Which contradicts our assumption that P and Q are co-primes. Means they are not divisible by any other number except 1. But here P and Q both are divisible by 5. This contradicts our assumption that P and Q are co-primes. This contradiction has arisen due to our wrong supposition. And therefore, under root 5 is irrational.